Guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So now we all know smoky eyes can be really sultry and it can go with any outfit. But do you also know that it can be created within just 5 minutes? Yes, you heard that right. You can create this beautiful sultry black smoky eye within just 5 minutes. So if you have to go to a function or a party to attend, then you can definitely try this black smoky eye. It can go with any outfit and the best part is that you can create it within 5 minutes. So now without further ado, let's get started. So I've already primed my eyelids using a concealer and I've used this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade light, and you can use any concealer you have to even out the skin tone. And now we'll use a kajal, or you can even use a black kohl pencil, and the one I'm using is the magnetized kajal from Faces. So now I'm just applying a nice thick coat of this kajal onto my top lash line, and it doesn't have to be neat or perfect because we will be smudging it in just a bit. And now I'm using this little dense brush and I'm just start smudging this kajal all over my eyelids. And after blending the kajal, now I'm using this Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is best to create smoky eyes. You can create black smoky eye, blue smoky eye, purple smoky eye, and a lot of smoky eye looks using this beautiful eyeshadow palette. It also has some neutral shades which goes really well in creating a smoky eye. And I'm using the shade Black Wa, which is a black eyeshadow. And I've just took a good amount of this black eyeshadow onto this flat fluffy brush. And I'm just going to apply this black shade right on top of the smudged kajal and just blending it all the way up to my crease area. Now after using the shade Black Wa, which was the black shade, now I'm using this dark brown shade which is called Caffeine Fix. And I'm just putting right where this black shade ends, and I'm mostly putting it onto my crease area so that my crease could define more intensely and could create a really nice transition effect. Now after blending the dark brown shade, now I'm using this shade Buffer, which is a transition color, and I'm just using it to blend out the edges and to create a really nice soft look. Now after blending all this out, now I'm again using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and to create that sharp winged smoky eye look, I'm just applying a little amount of this concealer on the edges and just blending all this out using a blending brush, and you'll see that it automatically creates that sharp winged look. Now I'm using this shade Ice Cloud, and I'm using it to highlight the inner corners of the eye as well as to highlight the brow bone area. Now let's move on to the lower lash line, and firstly I'm applying the kajal onto the lower and upper waterline. Now again I'm using that black shade from the same palette, and I'm just tightlining my lower lash line with that one. Now I'm using that dark brown shade and I'm just applying it right below where I've applied this black color, just to soften this color up and blend all this out. Now I'm using an eyelash curler to curl up my lashes. Now I'm using this Lash Paradise mascara by L'Oreal, and I'm just applying a nice and thick coat of this mascara onto my upper as well as my lower lashes. So it's perfectly your choice. You can also go without the false lashes. But just to add a little bit more drama to this eye look, I've applied the falsies. And yeah, that's it for this beautiful black smoky eye look. This smoky eye is very easy to create and it could be created within just 5 minutes. This look can be created very easily. And yeah, for your convenience, I'm listing all the products in the description box below. And that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.